Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss formatting dates in SQL Server. I'll go over formatting dates using the convert function and the format function. Take a look at the orders table below, which shows the customer's orders. You'll see the order ID, the customer ID, the plan ID for the plans ordered by the customer, the order dates of the plans, and then there's cancellation dates if the order was canceled. Let's take a look at a query which is going to show the customer's customer ID and their order dates. So we're going to select the customer ID and each customer's order date from the orders table below. And we click execute. And here you'll see the customer IDs and each of their order dates. The order date column in the orders table contains a date-time data type. The date-time data type defaults to the following format, where you see the year first, and it's in a 4-digit format, the month, the date, and the time, as you see below. So you see the year here, the month, and the day, and then the time. For our first query, we're going to use the format function to format the date to have the month, and then the day, and then the year. The format function is specifically used to format date and time values and number values. Okay, so we're going to run a similar query, but this time we're going to format the date. So we're going to select the customer ID, and then we're using the format function on the order date column. And within the format function, we're telling it within the single quotes to have the month first, the day, and then a 4-digit year. And then here you have to specify that we're using English US version, and we're going to display the column as order date from the orders table. So we click execute. And as you can see, we have the customer IDs. We have the month first, then the day, and a 4-digit year. Now you can also change this to show just a 2-digit year by deleting 2 of the Y's, and then we rerun our query, and as you can see here, it's the month, the day, and a 2-digit year. You can also use the convert function to format dates. The convert function converts an expression from one data type to another data type. For our second query, we're going to use the convert function, and we're going to list the month by name, the day, and then the year. So to do this, we're going to use select the customer ID, and here's the convert function being used on the order date column. You have to first specify the data type that we're converting to, a character data type with a 12 field size. Then you list the name of the column, order date, and then we're going to use something called a style, and we're going to be using style 107. Now the styles are listed in this chart, so each of these styles represents a data format that you're going to use to format the date. So in this case we're using 107, and on 107 it lists the month by name, the day, and then the year. And then we're going to display our column as order date, and we're doing all this from the orders table. So we click execute, and as you can see here, we have the customer IDs, we have the month listed out, and then we also have the day and the year. And it's all under a column called order date. I hope you enjoyed learning how to format dates using the convert function and the format function. If you'd like more in-depth learning, please check out my SQL course in the description section below.